Okay, Q Squad. Now I am outside in the front of my house right now. I saw a tons more rain. I heard thunder sounds out there in the sky. I can't stagger the diapause. And, and I am going on a trip tomorrow morning. So, wait, hold on, wait. Guys, I mean, Kill Squad. I heard thunder and the buzzing sounds up there. Just like I come on, I want y'all to please comment down below. Should I sleep tonight or not? Okay, I am pretty scared right now. Q Squad, look how much rain there is. All around, it's raining. What we need to do, there, there, to there. Also, it is raining crazy outside. Whoa. Chris, Chris, Chris God, I know some of you are scared of thunder rain storms. So I think it's time to face some of your biggest fears. If not, then you're probably scared as as I am now. So Q Squad, listen to this next sound, okay? I don't want to go inside the house before. Q Squad. Whoa. Okay, Q Squad, I will see you next week when I get back from my trip. So, if I won't be making any more videos this week now, especially tomorrow, because I'm going on my family trip tomorrow, so yeah. I don't have internet. I'm gonna do it right now, so I gotta go. See you guys.